Hi, I'm Benny, and this is the Border Maid.
Ahoy and welcome to my channel. This is your place where we explore the stories of adventure, starting with the Border Maid, built in 1958 in Scotland. Once it was a fishing vessel crossing the North Sea between Greenland, Iceland, Norway and Scotland. It is now become a sailing ship, because that's what I really want. Dedicated to marine mammals research. Alongside this adventure, I'll share every step of the DIY process as we restore and transform this ship. Be sure to follow me, subscribe and join me as we sail into the future with the Border Maid. Ahoy and welcome at a new episode of the Border Maid. I'll take you along on my journey, and my journey is simple. Fix this thing up and explore the oceans, wildlife and everything in it. So, you're coming with me or jumping on board? Let's go. Let's see what I'm doing this week.
So, what am I doing? I'm opening up all the cracks to fill them with polyester. And I'm gonna do that overlay with polyester again. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's the job of today. Opening up all the holes and fill them up. Again, fix them. As you can see, I got a massive hole. All the wood is wet as and rot as fuck. So I don't like to temporary fix things. This hole becomes too big because I don't have so much of fiberglass. So as you can see, this project needs a lot of materials, a lot of money to get the materials. So please subscribe, give it a like, give it views. I don't care, but we need it. You know, this will be a temporary fix. Um, I'm putting a new piece in of wood, plywood that's dry, so I can glue that in and then patch this up like that, and then hopefully getting watertight again for the time being. This one I will fill up first with some epoxy filling and then try fix that as well. So let's see what happens. If I mess it up, I'll have to do the whole deck. Just up there, it's soft, hollow, so there's no wood left, I guess. So chisel it out and then got a new piece. Oh man, this is so sad to see. There's a beautiful deck underneath it, a nice plank deck. And what do? You put polyester over it with multiplex. Why? Why? And then put a new piece of wood in, just temporarily, people, because this all has to come off. It's all wet. It all has to come off. I have to plank this deck all over again. So please subscribe, like the channel, please, because I need your support. Oh my God. Like this. Fitting on this. seat. Nice and protected. Busy cutting white oak. got some sad news. Gotta move, so I cannot work here anymore. I have to find a spot somewhere in around Amsterdam or somewhere else. I found something funny because everyone is saying that to me. You have to go to Urk, and I was like, I have to go to Urk, and then I found out that there's a lot of places in Urk. Reaching out, of course, to traditional wooden boat yards because no one wants a wooden boat, no one wants to lift it because they're all scared. So yeah, I hope we can get it on the on land and do the maintenance that it really needs. I don't think the underside is that bad, but we have to tackle some stuff fast. I hope to find some volunteers. I am suited in the Netherlands, so yeah, I'm probably gonna move tomorrow on a Monday or Tuesday, maybe. I'm gonna move to around Amsterdam or something. So I could really use some help from people. If you are handy, if you're a carpenter or you don't have any experience at all, there's always something to do. There's always something you can help me with. Um, Boat projects keeps going on. It's hard to maintain a job and maintain the boat and do everything at the same time and also take care of all the videos because that's a lot of work. Um, so I hope you all, yeah, keep following me, subscribing me to my channel, and yeah, support this project because this project has more meanings than you think. And we're really gonna do a lot of research on marine mammals. So I would really enjoy doing that with a fishing boat because it's an old fishing boat and it still has something good to give back. You know, it took fish from the ocean and now you know, you have to give something back to the ocean to save it. You know, so see you in the next one.